My wife has always kidded me about my vanity in hearing aids, and I used to wear the big behind-the-ear hearing aids. Now, these hearing aids are truly invisible. You can't tell that I'm wearing them. No one knows that I'm wearing them until I pull them out and show you. Look at the size of that hearing aid. One of the problems I've always had with hearing aids is telephone use. And everybody I've talked to, it's the same problem. Since these hearing aids are more like an extension of your existing hearing, telephone is no problem. You put the telephone right up there and you talk just as you would if you had normal hearing. I think one of the best things about having my new hearing aids is that I'm hearing all sorts of sounds that I'd forgotten about that were even out there. It sounds like a minor thing, but to be able to go out on the back porch with a cup of coffee in the morning and hear the birds again, they were gone. I didn't know we had birds anymore. The biggest difference I've noticed with these new hearing aids, not counting the size, the very tiny size of the hearing aid, is the clarity. They've brought back the clarity of speech. I can understand what people are saying again, even in noisy environments.